Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Union County, Illinois, Western Pulaski County, Illinois, Alexander County, Illinois, Scott County, Missouri, Cape Girardeau County, Missouri, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:43 p.m., include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. This is a radar indicating threat. Severe thunderstorms are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, sound, and trees. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized Morley, Commerce, Jackson, Pulaski, Cape Girardeau Airport, Dartmouth, Mounds, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Warren, Allenville, Blodgett, Owen, Haywood City, Sheffield, Scott City, Horseshoe Lake, Conservation Area, and Oak Ridge. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 9, between mile markers 15 and 33, Blodgett, Interstate 55 between mile markers 76 and 114, and Oak Ridge. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties: Illinois and Missouri, Cape Girardeau and Scott, and the following counties: in Illinois, Alexander, Interstate 55 between mile markers 76 and 114. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties: in Missouri, Cape Girardeau and Scott, and the following counties: in Illinois, Alexander,